Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw or create a zone in your whiteboard presentations on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, head over to your whiteboard presentation. Let me just zoom out a bit. So you can draw zones and they work, or they have the same function or almost the same function as frames, for example, on other whiteboard applications. So in the first step you will need to access the zone list. You will see it here in the bottom right corner, list of zones. Click into it. And then you will see this option here, for example, at the bottom with the zones within your whiteboard presentation, which is currently empty. Let me also switch to the list view, or you can switch between thumbnail and list view here. So what you want to do, guys, is clicking to add a new zone here, and then you will see the default zone. You may, of course, resize it, and then you may also add a comment here. You can change its title here or here. You may click into these three dots here to, for example, delete the given zone, duplicate it, and so on and so forth. So let me resize it like this. And then also add a second one. And the second one will be positioned here. And you can navigate between these by left clicking into them or by navigating through the zone list here, and if you click into it you will be zoomed into the given zone. As you can see, here's the zoom border, so that you may now start adding elements and items to the given zone like this. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.